Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get your business taxes ready. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the admin dashboard, you can go to all apps here to open all of your available apps. And then you can go to business tax here and you can click overview. And then as you can see what you need to do to be ready for taxes. You can get your 2025 taxes ready here. So you can just select your business type here and then you can select it. It depends on your business type and then click save. And now as you can see, I already set up my business type and then you can just click let's go here and then set your industry. So maybe banking, maybe lending like this. Save, and then you can see your full list. As you can see, so far you are recorded zero deductible expenses for tax year, as you can see, and you can just click done here, and then you can just select the task again. You can start the task for the file with QuickBooks Live Export Tax. If you want, you can, continue. I'm using a demo account here, so I cannot continue, but you can finish your task here and it will be ready. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.